Hello everyone, welcome to NextGen AI Academy. I hope you're doing good. In this video, we are going to learn about how to perform double click. In order to perform complex actions using mouse and keyboard, Selenium providing a readily available class which is called as Actions class. So the action class in Selenium is an inbuilt feature provided by the Selenium for handling both the keyboard and also the mouse events. Inside the action class, all the methods for both keyboard and mouse events are available. For example, click and hold, right click, double click, then drag and drop. And when we consider keyboard event like key down, key up, send keys and so on. In order to use these methods, we have to just create the object instance for the action class. To learn this double click concept, we will use the Demo QA website. It is one of the best website to practice automation. So once we launch the URL, you can see here double click me button. After performing double click, you can see update in the bottom. You have done a double click. That's how we can confirm whether we performed action or not. Let's automate this requirement now. First, let's create a class. Class name, double click, and package name. Let's create a new package com.nextgenai. It's going to be mouse keyboard related programs, then public static void main. Click on finish. We already know how to set the system property for the Firefox driver, that is nothing but Gecko driver, and creating the object instance, and finally launching the URL and maximizing it. We know how to do this. Now, in order to perform double click here, we must find its locator and its value. Right click, inspect. We have ID, type, class, so many attributes. I'll go with the locator ID and its value. Let's declare it as web element double button equal to driver dot find element by dot id and mention the id value. Import the necessary library files. So the first step is done. The next step is we have to create the instance in action class by passing the WebDriver instance. Actions class, object name, it can be any name but I am giving it as action, equal to new actions constructor and passing the WebDriver instance, nothing but this driver object, semicolon. Import the actions class. It is OpenQA Selenium interaction. So this is the most important step whenever you want to use keyboard or mouse even. This step is mandatory. Once it is done, we can use this particular object name to use all the methods available inside the actions class. So let's perform the double click on the web element. So object name action dot, you can see double click element. Choose the second one, double click, and what is the element name? We have already declared it, so dbl button dot perform. So this will perform the full action and passing the output message as button is double clicked. Let's execute, run as Java application. Application is launched and you can see it clicked at double click me. That's why we got this particular output message. And also in the console button is double clicked. It means the code is working perfectly. In addition to this syntax, we have an alternative way to do double click. You can perform whichever you want. Let me comment this. Action object dot. We have a method called move to element, and which element? Double button. This move to element means it will move the mouse pointer to the middle of the button. Like this, it will go and keep it in the middle of that particular web element. Then dot, above that we can perform the double click dot perform. So either you can follow this one or this one, it's up to you. Let's execute this program, run as Java application, and you can see you have done a double click. It means the script is working fine. At the end, don't forget to include the driver.close. It's a mandatory step. Always at end of the test case include these two lines. So we completed the test case as per the requirement. Hope you got a good clarity about this topic. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.